Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Master and Slave. One day my Guruji Anandada said, Arjun, behold at a distance. I saw at a distance a man and a cow. A rope was tied around the neck of the cow and the man was pulling that cow. And my Guruji Anandada asked me, who is the master and slave here? Instantly, quickly, I replied, it is the man. He is the master. He is the owner of the cow. Then my Guruji asked me again, if I cut the rope, then the cow will chase the man or man will run after the cow. Then I replied again, the man will run after the cow. Then Anandada explained me, this is the conditions of the human being. Humans are becoming slave of their possession, of their treasure, of their belongings. The man should detach from their belongings, from their possession. And the day man can do that, he can transcend the limitations of this physical reality. He can contact the field of infinite possibilities, the field of consciousness. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops, please get in touch with us and subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.